Assalamualaikum. Now I'm moving to this particular section, section E, for a set of questionnaire from Dr. Maknoh and his student. So, how we are going to manage or transfer this particular question from respondent's profile to variable view in SPSS. So it's very simple, similar to the previous one. Okay, so we start with the first question for section E is gender. So, okay, I managed to complete, okay, up to D6 just now. Okay, D6, okay, target. So E1 now. So E1, okay, it is also 0 decimal. Okay, this one is gender. So gender, right? So the value is, usually we use 1 for male and 2 for female. Okay, and maybe you can prepare for the non-response, blank response. Okay, so this data is gender. Gender is nominal data and this can be an input. Okay, now we move to another one. Okay, just I'm referring to 1 or 2 question only. Age, right? Age. It is E2. So we have to handle this case by case because it's not like the previous one. We are using interval scale, right? So this one is age. Age. So the values is different. One is 21 to 30 years old. Okay, enter. Number 2 is 31 to 40 years old. Number 3 is 41 to 50 years old. Okay, number 4, 50 to 60 years old. And number 6. 6, it's not number 6, it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5. So number 5. Okay, and just be prepared for no response. Okay, add. Okay, so this is age is actually if age 1 years old, 2 years old, it is data for ratio. Okay, 1 year and 32 days, that's ratio. But when we make up as range, okay, we use range 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, and the difference is similar. Okay, it's become interval, or we rank it. Okay, we rank it as an ordinal, and we can do that. Okay, so this is we consider as 21 to 30. Okay, 30 to 20. Different is 1 only, right? So we can consider it as ordinal. Okay, ordinal. We order the age. All right, and so on. Okay, we can meet up until question number 6. Okay, I'm not going to complete up to question 6, but I'm going to show to you how to handle this question 7. Okay, question 7 now. Okay, this one is referring to E7. Okay, so we have E3, E4, E5, E6. Okay, now E7. Okay, it's actually all are 0 decimal. Okay, now this one is transportation used for collecting. Okay, so you can answer more than one. Okay, when you can answer more than one, you have to manage this question in this way. Okay, E7.1. Okay, and then you can use some keyword. Okay, transportation used. Okay, double click, and not double click, semicolon, and choose the first one, van. Okay, van. So the values would be now, okay, because you can the respondent can choose more than one. So if the respondent choose van, then the answer is yes. So it's become 0 to no, 1 to yes, and just be prepared. No response. Okay, and remember, no response if in that particular set of questionnaire, the blank responses are more than 25%, you have to discard, okay, that particular set, but you have to report it. Okay. All right, so this one is measure is nominal. Yes or no is nominal. Okay, and you just copy and paste up to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paste. So E7, E7.2, E7.3, E7.4, E7.5. Okay, van, lorry, four-wheel drive. Okay, lorry, four-wheel drive, car and motorcycle. Car, motorcycle. All right, I'm done. Okay, so those are nominal question. So what's the difference now? Okay, what we can see here, okay, A1, section A, start with ID, section A, B, C, D, and E. All right, E is for the demographic profile, and starting here, okay, starting from here, it is a question where you can choose more than one answer. So this is how to handle it. Okay, so we can see now, okay, what happened to the data view. All right, so each column, okay, the title of each column is actually for each row that you set in the variable view. Okay, you can see ID. So we have here ID. A1. So we have here A1 and so on. So I hope that you can get, okay, benefit from this particular video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.